The fact TrailLites are made in New Zealand. We've got that great after service care, and the product, what we get here, and leagues above a lot of other countries. I've been here for 23 years now. I say my hands-on craftsmanship, the old school tricks. I take that with me at home as well. I build a lot of furniture and stuff at home. Great ideas that come just from the factory floor. We have systems in place where they can put their ideas in, and we do it as a group rather than just a design team that focuses on these things. Very thoroughly. We handle our quality very thoroughly between departments, consistently quality checks throughout the whole entire line, because we have such a high-end product. We want our customers to be satisfied and happy. A lot of our customers live in the motorhome. A lot of them, it's their dream to have a motorhome, something we're all passionate about, to make sure we get that good quality out to our customers, that they're going to have this motorhome for years to come and there is no issues. Because we get treated very well here, but also just the rewardingness of it. Like, instead of seeing customers come in tears getting their motorhome and just thanked us for it, it's just, I don't know, it just warms your heart. There's just something so special about being able to do something like that. Just make someone's dream come true. It's really cool.